Hi students, welcome to Chem YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you the in detailed explanation about the bonus marks rules in the JEE Mains. So after the provisional key, so now everybody is worried about will you get the bonus marks I have attempted or not attempted in integer type, in MCQ type. So everybody is worried about it. So already our channel has a video to how to challenge the question, and also in how many questions are bonus questions and how many questions are key change questions. There are two types of problems will be there. So given NTA given key is something, but actual answer is something, and that new answer is available in the other option, then key change will be done. And if that answer is not there in the options, then they will give you the bonus marks. So this is now, if that answer is not there in the bonus marks, or we cannot write in the integer type, then what type of rules will be applicable. I think now you understood what is the bonus marks criteria. Now if the bonus marks criteria further depends on the type of question. If the MCQ type, whether you attend or not attended, you will get the bonus marks. Okay, but if it is integer type question, if you have attempted and wrong answer attempted, but still you will get the marks. Like this, so much information I am going to share you in the further videos. So like this video and share this video to all to your friends, so let them also understand the proper guidelines about the JEE Mains. And I will also guide you for the JEE Advanced. So, and join my Telegram group for that purpose. Thank you. Bye bye. Keep sharing and join my Telegram group. Subscribe my channel. Press bell icon. Like the video every time. Thank you. Bye bye.